Hello guys, my name is Harshit and you are watching Optimal Art, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use the eyedropper tool in Photoshop, or let me tell you in a simple way how you can pick a color from an object or from a text in Photoshop. So let's begin. So as you can see on my screen, this is a photo of the Pinterest logo, and in order to color pick you need to move your cursor over this button and a small message pops up which says set foreground color, and this is what exactly we need to do. So click on this button and you will be greeted with this color picker interface, and now you need to move your cursor outside this color picker box, and when I do so you will see that the eyedropper tool appears, and now you need to left click on your mouse in order to color pick. So as you can see I have successfully picked the color using the eyedropper tool, and now I will do the same for the white color. And if you want to know the code you can do that, as you can see, and if you want to you can add it to swatches, but let me click OK. And another method to do is you can click I on your keyboard and it will automatically select the eyedropper tool, and if you hold on then you will see a list of options that I will talk in another video. But in this video I am going to talk about the simple way you can color pick. So as you can see, when my cursor is over this button, you can see that it shows a short video in which you can see how the eyedropper tool works, and the shortcut is also written over here, and you can select the point sample and the sample. So I am selecting the defaults, but you can change it if you want so. And that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.